इम्फाल ईस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट की हॉटन एजुकेटेड स्कूल की चाही की चाइंग 2025 असे हाइदोकपगी मकोक मथंग तारबा छात्र छात्री खरा यंगमिनसी।
Section A, roll number 3, completing on B, scoring 1,172.35 marks with 83.74 PC. Completing on B. Section A again, roll number 5, S. Deepika Janu, scoring 1,170 with 83.57 percentage. Then the third rank goes to again Section A, roll number 2, Tarun Koizam, scoring 1,160 marks with 82.95 percentage. Tarun Koizam. The fourth rank goes to Section A again, roll number 8, Sterling L, scoring 1,158.95 mark with 82.78 percentage. Then the fifth rank goes to Section B, roll number 35, X. Neha Janu, scoring 1,140.60 with 81.47 marks. Sixth rank goes to roll number 4, Section A, T. Rohit Singh, scoring 1,125.67 with 80.4 percentage. T. Rohit. Then seventh rank goes to Section A again, roll number 7, M. Rubiya, scoring 1,122.54 with 80.18 percentage. Rubiya. The eighth rank goes to roll number 1, Section A, K.H. Fayaz Khan, scoring 1,114.9 marks with 79.64 percentage. Then the ninth rank goes to roll number 6, Section A, N.G. Kelvin Singh, scoring 1,081.15 with 77.25 percentage. Then the 10th rank goes to Section B, roll number 13, Sania Pundragayu, scoring 1,067.7 with 76.26 percentage. These are the rank holders of class 8A and B. Here comes Tarun Koizam. Music Talak, third rank.
Yengiri Bidi Bang Premature Nei Kai Kumnaba Uchari.